Alright guys, what up everybody? So today I'll be showing you guys how to get a free iPhone from the official Apple website. I'm not even kidding. Um, Make sure to subscribe to my channel because it really does matter. I'm really stuck on 3600 for subscribers. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so first of all you need to go to the official website of Apple by searching apple.com. Yeah, and you will need to select the iPhone option because you need iPhone, right? Click on iPhone and just go to iPhone 7 because that's where you will get the free iPhone upgrade program. And what you need to do, you need to scroll all the way down and search for iPhone upgrade program or free iPhone upgrade program. I'll just show you. Yeah, you can see it's iPhone upgrade program. You'll need to refresh it like 10 to 15 times in order to get the option of free iPhone upgrade program. You're getting me, right? So refresh it as much as possible in order to get the free iPhone upgrade program. It takes a lot of patience to do it. You need to refresh like 15 to 16 times. I'm not even kidding. So let me just refresh it. I'll just probably skip this. You need to refresh it until free iPhone upgrade program appears. This might take 10 refresh or whatever. So refresh it as much as possible. So I'll just skip this. Let's refresh it again. Okay, let's refresh it again. And then let's go all the way down and let's see if the free iPhone upgrade program appeared or not. Yeah, it's there. The free iPhone upgrade program has appeared. Yes, you just need to click on it. Right guys, the set part is again, so you need to refresh it like 15 or 16 times again in order to get the free iPhone upgrade program. So let's refresh it. Alright guys, so we've got this free iPhone upgrade program. So you need to click on enroll now. But guys, I forgot to tell you guys that you'll need to create a new Apple ID. If you already have one, you don't need to create it. If you don't have one, just search for create Apple ID and just click the first link, that is the create Apple ID, and simply create a new ID, right? So let's get back to the Apple website. And guys, I'm really sorry if I'm boring you guys because I'm not cutting any frames, so that you'll know this is not Inspect Element or stuff. It is 100% legit and it requires a lot of refresh, you know. So let's select on iPhone 7 Plus, or you can select anything. Let's select on iPhone 7 Plus. You can already see it says $0 per month, right? So let's swipe all the way down and select buy without a carrier, or you can select a carrier because I don't want a carrier. So let's select a color. I'll choose the black one. Yeah, I'll choose the black one and then select a variant. I'll just choose 128 GB because if I take 256, get to know that I'm doing a fraud transaction or stuff like that. So let's select on 128. Right, so select the variants and stuff and let's go all the way down. As you can see, it says $0 one-time payment, and if you take the Apple Care it will cost you $129. So I'll probably not take it, and just select on add to bag, and you'll need to go to your cart. So basically click on. Alright guys, as you can see, it's literally done. I'm at the checkout stage right now. I'm really happy, you know. As you can see, the prices are $0 already and the shipping charges is $0 also. So let's check out. Now you will need to sign into your Apple ID which you have created previously, Let's sign into our Apple ID. Alright, so now let's put all the details about the shipping address and payment. Let's continue. I'll just probably fill this up and alright guys, so this is after 1 week since I have placed the order. So I finally got it. So it says made in California. It has got some stickers on it, the paperwork and stuff. Let's put them all aside. There's a SIM ejector pin also, as you can see. And look at it guys, the seal pack iPhone 7 Plus made black. This stuff is really sexy. Look at that dual camera guys, you see that? This stuff is really sexy, I must say. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. If you have any queries, and do let me know on my social media handles, which will be linked in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.